This is the Rupes polisher, the brand new one battery. It's got plenty of battery juice. It's got full battery, but it won't spin over. Just making noise, not doing anything. Both batteries doing the same thing, so I assume it's the machine. Hi everybody, Brandon Detail Doctor here, and I just wanted to say hi, and I got another video for you guys. So, we've been waiting about a good 3 weeks to get our product back. It doesn't show who it's from, but this is from Rupes and Brandon Detail Doctor. So what we're going to do is we are going to open this bad boy and see what we got. Because the HLR15 iBird, it was broken. Like literally brand new product. The battery was fine, everything was charged, but it would not, oh my gosh, I was devastated. It would not come on, it would just click, and it was worthless on that aspect of it. So let's get to it. I hope that they fixed it, and I'm excited to see what they did because they said they replaced it. So I sent the battery and also the charge port and the machine, and this just came out this year in like January, February, and I bought it. I was one of the first ones to get it, so let's get to it. Okay guys, this is our box. Let's open her up and see what we got. I'm excited because I've been waiting to get my machine back. And I can already tell that I'm excited because I see they gave me a brand new box in here. So this is from the Rupes department in, I forget which state, but it's in America. I'm also Italian citizen. Sono italiano. Parlo italiano un po'. Studiando in America. I said I'm Italian citizen. I speak a little bit Italian, and I'm studying in America because I'm born here, but I got my citizenship through my family, so I'm a dual. But anyways, we'll go over that in another video. So I see some good wrapping to protect the product. We don't need that. Don't give a care in the world. Here's my charger, but I don't see a charge cord which I sent. Hopefully it's in there, because we will be in trouble if there's no charge cord. But I do see the box here, and it is nothing written on it. I'll show you guys. Just a plain box. So I'm hoping that the charge cord's inside, because if not, we have a big problem. I'm going to be upset. So let's open her up. Okay, they did put it in here. That's good. So they did put my charge cord back, because I did send it. They sent my batteries back because they were both good. It's got full charge on that one and full charge on there. So you just press the little green button here, and then yeah. But I got the repair order here. It says BF tool warranty repair Bigfoot tools for power issue. Tool was replaced with a brand new unit, so it looks like I got a brand new one. They shipped it on June 24th, 2024, FedEx Ground. So now is July 1st, and I got it back. It's been a while. But it is nice. Everything's brand new, and hopefully this one will last because it was brand new, the one I got. So it's in the plastic. So everything looks good. The carbon fiber is clean. Carbon fiber is clean. Everything looks new. The lights work. Let's go ahead and plug a battery up. See what we got. So battery goes with the ends, the pointed ends, on the back side. As you can see, if I can get it in the hole. So it should light up, which it did. So this is the first test of the new product. You have to push this side button in to be able to engage the handle. We have liftoff. And it'll keep going too, unless you push the handle. I'm happy to say they did correct this bad boy. Hopefully it's gonna last, because I don't want to have to send this back again. That would be devastating. Let's try the other battery. It lights up. It's golden. So I do like this tool. I've used it. It's brushless compared to my Mark II. And I gotta say that it's pretty lightweight. I mean, it's a little bit awkward in the back. But if you were going to polish, people like to hold the back whenever you have it on and guide it with your back hand. So I really like this.
Please subscribe, guys. See ya.